All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining. Today we'll take a look at Pyth Network, USDT on the OKX chart. This is going to be a very quick update, like always. Not too much price history with this project, but it has been moving quite aggressively over the past few months, right, since it launched. So what I want to do is just jump right into this, right? So as you can see, there is a very nice uptrend for Pyth ever since it pretty much bottomed out towards the beginning of January. So what I did was I actually went ahead and drew a couple trend lines that it has been respecting. So let me go ahead and pull those up for you here. All right. So we have these trend lines which it has been respecting. A lot of touch points. It tapped it, I guess, once, two, three, four, 5 times. Now, will we get a 6th touch? Typically, I would say no, but with the reality of the situation is that this is a very big project, an oracle on the Solana blockchain. There's a lot of rumors going around that it even partnered with Google recently, which is also very bullish news. And as you can see, it seems to be finding some sort of support right here on the golden pocket. After this massive pump up, it retraced quite a bit. Bitcoin did flush out a lot of leverage longs, and the whole market dumped with it. That's why you have this wick low, which came down and touched the trend line. And not only did it touch the trend line, it also tested the 786. So that was a very interesting confluence level. If anyone got in on that trade, hats off to them. But at this very moment, Pyth does look like it's charging back up to attack the highs one more time. As you can see locally, there is this kind of trend line also as well that it will need to break. Once this breaks, that's when I do believe we're going to see a nice movement from Pyth one more time, and then tackle these highs, possibly come up, swing failure, come back down. But in reality, I do believe that this project will in fact continue to higher price targets. Right, so let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit so I can show you exactly where these price targets are, especially since we are pretty much in price discovery mode right now, right? So this was the all-time high previously, broke above it, and now price is just in discovery mode, trying to see exactly where it will fully retrace, right? And by fully retrace, I mean just another solid retracement, probably like this one, maybe a little bit bigger. But at this very moment, I can see that coming in somewhere around here. So let me go ahead and pull up some fib levels here. So I went ahead and pulled the trend-based fib extension. And the way how I got this was because I pulled it from the absolute lows on OKX to the high to the bottom. Now with that being said, you get the 1618 extension lining up pretty much exactly with this top right here, right, the top of the trend line right here. And then as well, the 1-to-1 extension on the fibs, let me go ahead and pull that up too as well, lines up pretty much exactly right here. So this is a major confluence level locally, just because we had multiple touch points here, right? Multiple tests on this trend line going up. It's giving the project room to breathe, go up, come down, consolidate before impulsing a little bit higher. 1618, the 1-to-1 extension, and also the top of the trend line. So how do I see price action kind of playing out? I did go ahead and draw that too as well ahead of time. So it could possibly look something like this, right? Grind up, retest the highs, come back down, take out those highs, find support, flip the resistance into support, try, fail, take out the liquidity of these lows. And just so you know exactly what this price target is, you're talking about $1.04, right? To be safe, $1. So basically a $1 is where I see Pyth Network tackling next in the next few months, right? Maybe around April. If price action does get a little bit more aggressive before then, it can happen a little bit quicker. But at this very moment, $1 is the next target for Pyth, and the way how things are looking right now, I think that's definitely on the table. All right, now let's see here. One more thing that was very interesting is that I ended up pulling the anchored VWAP from this high just to see how price action, how price reacted around that level. So let me go ahead and turn that on too as well. Let's go ahead, put that on there. And you'll see anchored VWAP was tested as resistance, kind of like a double top here before price sold off. Tested this level as support, impulsed higher, came back down, and after that massive sell-off, it found support on that anchored VWAP, and it's now tackling this trend line right here. So once we get this breakout, we're hovering around 67 cents right now. I do expect to see price come through this level pretty strongly, maybe test this 70-cent level before retracing a little bit. Maybe it might even come back down and test the golden pocket or the bottom of this trend line one more time before impulsing higher and then tackling the top of the current highs, which is around 82 cents, finding support, and then essentially going off to the races and going to that major level above, which is going to be my price target for now, around $1, right? So that's the next price target. And in percent wise, you're looking at about a 51% gain from this current level, which is phenomenal, right? Absolutely phenomenal. So great project, great tokenomics, great team behind it. A lot of marketing strategies they're putting into play, a lot of liquidity. It's just a interesting project that we will see play out, I think, pretty nicely in the long run, right? The bull market is here. It just started. So make sure you place your positions, you enter your projects wherever you'd like, and make sure that you use the right risk management. And, if you do believe in the project, you do want to hold on a little bit longer, right? A lot of people are saying they should expect the bull market to end maybe the beginning of next year. If you want to be cautious and take out some profits out of your paper trading account, right? Because this is not financial advice. You can possibly do so maybe towards the end of the year, or, whenever your bag's 5x, 3x, 10x, wherever you feel comfortable taking that out, you should go ahead and do so. But definitely don't sell out too early, and definitely don't sell out too late. Peak euphoria is when everyone gets trapped. That's what happened at the last bull run. Now, also why I think price is going to go up really quick before I end this video is because if we go ahead and look at Bitcoin right now, I expect Bitcoin to go for all-time highs very shortly, right? So not only did we retrace from those highs, but we're actually finding support at these levels, right? So this isn't the price action of a coin that's looking to move a little bit lower. It looks like it's finding support right around the golden pocket, around 60,500. It is now testing this anchored VWAP right around 61,500. If we could flip that into support, there's nothing really stopping me from believing that we will go to the weekly level around 65,500, struggle around there for a little bit before ultimately back testing 63,000, 64 before, charging up and taking out those all-time highs. I think we're a little too close to just get like a simple retracement, but at the end of the day, that is still a 12% move. We've seen Bitcoin do that in about a day or two, not too long ago. So if that move does come, then you can definitely expect Pyth and Solana and every other altcoin to then make some very bullish moves. And then that means Pyth to $1, hitting that 1-to-1 extension, the trend-based fib extension, and the top of this ascending, broadening wedge, right? So triple confluence zone right up here. And let's just see how it all plays out. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. That last video got a lot of views. I guess there's a lot of people out there that love Cardano. But like I always say, leave a comment below with any project you'd like to see me chart, and I'll do my best to get that out within 24 hours. Follow me on X. I post a lot of updates. I post about Cardano, Seam Protocol, Pepe, a lot of updates, free Telegram here, so you can follow my trades too as well. And then, yeah, follow me on TradingView if you do like charts. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. Like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And take care.